Yeah, all these new trees in between growing. It's really humid, even though it's overcast. No wind, no rain. It's really humid. But yeah, seen a deer in here earlier. They were looking for mushrooms and we keep finding a rare species of dead turds. Which are native to these parts. Special area. This is a nature reserve. It's one of the only places in England you'll find a species of dead turds, king turds, in a natural habitat. You gotta watch out for them, guys. You can stand on them, get them stuck all over your shoes. They're rare. Breathing heavy because I'm a fucking heavy smoker. You heard that? That was a rare call, a rare glimpse into the sound of a king turd calling for a mate. Did you hear it?